Experience the majestic view of the Atlantic Ocean. Elevate your lifestyle to the next level with the Bloom Towers. Bloom Towers is a premium, ultra-modern real estate development located in Oniru, Victoria Island. It's one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, spanning over 21 floors and 19 floors respectively. This unique edifice offers an impeccable view of the city of Lagos. The Bloom Towers currently sells in the market as an off-plan building project. The available house types: 1-bedroom apartments, 1-bedroom Maisonette, 2-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom Maisonette, 3-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom Maisonette, 4-bedroom Maisonette, and of course the commercial office spaces selling at a minimum of 20 square meters. Our current payment plan is 20% initial deposit and 24-month payment spread. The Bloom Tower is currently fast selling out. 29 units have been sold out. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your viewing with us today and step into your world of comfort. Contact us now.